The following program is brought to you by the Center for Educational Outreach at Baylor College of Medicine.
Have you ever wondered how your lungs work? How many times do you breathe in a minute? Do you breathe faster when you run? Do our lungs have their own muscles? I'm Barbara Tharp from Baylor College of Medicine, and today we will be creating a model lung. What do we need? Well, a soda bottle works. Also, a dish soap bottle works really, really well for this. Now, what do we have to do? Use our scissors and balloons, okay? But before we start, safety precautions. To begin with, I would have the teacher cut the bottles, not the students. It's not difficult, but it could be a little dangerous. But make sure you follow all the instructions at your school and your district. Make sure the students understand not to start until you're ready. And if they do use scissors, to be careful with them. So let's get started. To begin with, you take a balloon and you're going to slide one balloon down inside the bottle. And you're going to cut one off and put it on the bottom. Now what I've done is I've got one ready for you. So I've got the balloon inside and I have the balloon on the bottom. The bottom balloon is literally modeling the diaphragm, and the bottle inside, or the balloon inside, is modeling the lung. So what's going to happen? Ask the students before you start out to predict when you pull on this, what will happen here. Okay? The lung, and this is the diaphragm. When the diaphragm moves down, the chest capacity increases, causing air to enter the lungs. You see the lung gets larger. When the diaphragm goes up, then the volume of the chest cavity decreases, causing air to leave the lungs. So here's your breathing, in and out. Now, obviously there's a problem. This is one lung model. We want to make sure the students understand that the limitations of a model. Obviously, we have two lungs, and our diaphragm is not made out of a balloon. So make sure they understand that as well. But now hopefully they can understand how air is drawn into the body. Have them breathe in, feel how it comes, feel how your chest increases and decreases as you breathe. You can also demonstrate coughing or sneezing, which is a lot of fun for the kids, by putting some baby powder or baking soda in and making them, they breathe in and then they breathe out. And when they breathe out, if they breathe out enough, they can even cough up a lung as far as that goes. But basically, they're seeing that the particles, if you put baby powder or baking soda, would spread all over. Another reason why they need to make sure that they cover their mouth when they cough or sneeze. And another thing you want to think about is pollutants. If we're breathing in, we're not selective when we're breathing in. So whatever is in the air comes in. So if there are pollutants in the air, they're going in too. Have fun and be careful.